Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to manage rows in Excel. Understanding how to select, insert, and delete rows is fundamental for organizing your data efficiently. We'll cover the simple steps to perform these actions, making your spreadsheet work much smoother. This guide will help you master basic row manipulation, saving you time and effort in your daily tasks. To insert a new row, simply right-click on the row number where you want the new row to appear above. From the context menu, select Insert. Excel will automatically add a new, empty row. If you need to insert multiple rows, select the desired number of existing rows first, then right-click and choose Insert. It's a quick and efficient way to expand your worksheet. Deleting rows is just as straightforward. First, select the row or rows you want to remove by clicking and dragging across their row numbers. Then, right-click on any of the selected row numbers. A context menu will appear, and you'll simply choose the Delete option. This action permanently removes the selected rows and their contents, so always double-check your selection. Just like with rows, you can easily manage columns. To select a column, simply click its letter at the top of the worksheet. Then, right-click the column letter to either insert a new column to its left or to delete the selected column entirely. These actions are very similar to row management, providing consistent and powerful control over your spreadsheet layout. Mastering both rows and columns will significantly improve your Excel productivity and efficiency.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.